In this video, I'll show you how to replace the wing mirror puddle light on a 2016 Ford Mondeo MK5. These lights illuminate the ground when you unlock the car or open the doors, making it much easier to get in and out of the vehicle safely, especially at night. The original Mondeo comes with standard white puddle lights, but in this video I'll be upgrading them to custom LED projector lights. Instead of just lighting up the ground, these project a personalized logo or image, giving the car a much more unique appearance. Let's get started. First, unlock the car so the mirrors fold out. Underneath the mirror, you'll see the puddle light module. It is held in place by two clips. One side simply slides into position, while the other side has a small plastic locking tab. Using a small trim tool or a flat screwdriver, carefully release the locking tab and gently pull the light out, first from one side and then from the other. One thing worth mentioning is that the original Ford plastic clips become quite brittle with age. It's very common for them to crack during removal. This happened to me on both the left and right mirrors, so don't be surprised if yours breaks as well. Even if the clip cracks, you should still be able to remove the light without any major problems. Once the light is out, disconnect the two wires from the original unit. Now take your new custom LED projector light. It also has two wires, making installation very straightforward. There is no polarity to worry about, so simply connect each wire to the corresponding connector. The kit also includes a small adjustment tool. After the light is installed, you can use it to rotate the projector slightly and perfectly align the projected logo or image on the ground. Now reconnect the wiring and install the new light. Insert one side into its locating slot first, then gently press the other side until it clicks securely into place. Once everything is fitted, open the door to test the light. Perfect. It's working exactly as it should. And this is what the finished result looks like. The custom projection gives the car a much more personalized and premium look. If you're interested in buying these custom projector lights, they're available for the Ford Mondeo as well as many other vehicles, including Volkswagen, Audi, Mercedes-Benz, and many more. You'll find the link in the video description below. Overall, I'm really happy with the quality and the final result. In my next video, I'll show you how to customize the infotainment screen so it displays the same logo or image as the projector lights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.